My name is Patricia Hernandez and I will be presenting Chapter 10 Case Study, Grobaby Foods Green Sourcing Case Study. In this case, Professor Chinita White created a scenario in which a company leader in organic baby food with solid conviction in favor of the environment had been publicly blamed on an air television documentary. For 5 years, the company packaging supply had not complied with the Clean Air Act and is in the hand of the new VP of Global Sourcing to explore the case and take action to reduce the impact. To provide a background of the company, Grobaby is a mid-sized organic baby food manufacturer founded by two friends that produce a variety of foods for infants and toddlers. The product range includes cereal, puree, yogurts, fruit snacks, cereal bars, and cookie products. They started selling their product in local markets, launched Grobaby 5 years later, and in 10 years after its creation, its product obtained USDA certification, meaning that all products are free from synthetic fertilizers and free from the use of genetic engineering. GBF has numerous competitors, including larger companies with a wide range of baby products, important purchasing power, and resources to guarantee sustainable practices for their entire supply chain. Grobaby Food became an instant hit, capturing a large share of the market with their innovation in packaging, focusing on portable packaging because of the collaboration with its main packaging supplier, Bass Solution Company, that spent many years developing the packaging. Now, its competitor offered the same type of packaging, making improvement in waste reduction and renewable energy throughout their entire supply chain. Ivan White, Director of Environmental Strategy, says sustainability is changing the competitive landscape. Consumers are more educated and now they want more. The manufacturing facility uses two largest machines for its infant puree and one filling machine that can produce up to 10,000 units per hour. The production process includes 5 main steps. First, receiving and inspect packaging container. Second, load fruit and vegetable into the blender. Third, load puree containers into the filling machine. Fourth, fill container with puree. And fifth, post and ship. Grobaby Food has always ensured that the agricultural product uses in their food were grown sustainably. They are doing a great job sourcing organic farmers members of the USDA National Organic Program. Allow me to show you Grobaby Food supply chain stages. First, raw material extraction. This contains fruit and vegetable producers, barley and wheat producers. Second, product manufacturing. This includes production, packaging, and quality control. Third, distribution and retails that cover transportation, chilled storage, and retail. Fourth, consumer use. Fifth, disposal and recycle. Each year, Grobaby Food performed a carbon audit of its production with 60% of the company electricity use that is produced from green sources. This audit also allowed the company to understand carbon emission at every stage of the product life cycle and where improvement must be made, including packaging and other elements. Grobaby Food had been outstanding in reducing its own carbon emission, but had fallen behind the market in ensuring the reduction from its suppliers. Bowman, the recently hired VP of Global Sourcing, discovered that the current sourcing strategy is to procure quality product at the lowest cost. Also, the company uses a single supply of packaging solution for its products. They based the decision on the concept of building a solid supply relationship, avoiding the bidding process. The relationship allowed Grobaby Food to receive as benefit the waiving of the shipping charges for high-volume orders. However, Bass Solution Company is not using environmentally friendly materials or production processes. That was probably why the company was mentioned in the documentary impacting its sales. Bass Solution is reliable, offers low cost, properly timed, and good quality. On the other hand, Bass is a family-run business resilient to support sustainability efforts for its main customer and without enough transparency into their processes. Bowman received a proposal from a mid-sized packaging supplier and competitor of Bass located as well in the United States. This company is committed to sustainable business practices and production, ensuring food safety, freshness, and quality. For Grobaby food, the supplier selection process includes the following steps. First, conduct an industry analysis. Second, build a total cost of ownership model. Third, build a supplier selection matrix. Fourth, conduct a suppliers analysis. Fifth, wrote a request for proposal with inputs for key stakeholders. Bowman decided to use the Life Cycle Assessment (LCA) tool as a new sourcing strategy to narrow the list of potential suppliers. This analysis will allow her to understand the best processes and products with the least amount of harmful impact to the environment and help to define environmental expectations of suppliers and incorporate them previous to the Grobaby food supplier selection process, adding a sixth step, selecting the best supplier. The LCA are composed of 4 stages. First, goals and scope definition. Second, inventory analysis. Third, impact assessment, in which they evaluate environmental and human impact. And fourth, interpretation. To go with a clean strategy, the following factors need to be considered. Dependence on partner for result, speed at which partnership can reach the ideal point, Grobaby food expectation for growth, higher administrative burden, new data requirements such as emission and waste tracking, new skills and resources required to educate sourcing staff, market perception and brand image, potentially higher prices. The goal, if she made the right decision, is to improve customer satisfaction, improve the company brand image, and improve the company bottom line. This slide shows the performance metrics from BAS and promised performance metric from BAS and Perdos. The first metric, price per unit, shows a difference of 4 cents between both suppliers. There are important metrics to consider before one can decide. However, the willingness for vendors to promise sustainable business practices or get ISO 14000 certification is essential in this case. Perdos seems as the most reliable options to improve brand images and regain market share. Still, I might suggest increasing the supply pool from packaging product if Grobaby food is expecting to grow. Thank you for listening.